IIT is in the midst of an epic battle between good and evil. Watch as the battle unfolds and see who will come out on top.
Life is good. What's that?
I am the evil one. Fear me, coward.
What? I hate my life. What's the point of studying and hanging out with people? I'm just gonna go play games on my computer and not care about real life.
Ha! She really thinks she can use her computer in time of need, does she? Well, she's clearly never met Hex Death 6 before.
No!
Did I hear a cry for help?
Nobody hears cries for help. They go unnoticed in our dark, meaningless existences.
What?
What she means to say is, there is nothing you can do. We have control of your emotions and of your technology. We shall soon rule over this school, and from there, the world!
I don't think so.
And who's going to stop us?
The brass fox. Her power over metals is surpassed by none.
Nobody's taking over the world unless it's me.
Lady Alexandra, a powerful shapeshifter. The Emerald Goddess. Her only weakness is also her only strength. Insane.
You have no control over anything here.
Finally,
And who is she supposed to be?
Oh, that's the ringmaster. You don't want to make her angry.
Whatever. Your powers are useless against us. So just give up and make it easy for yourself.
Hey, seriously? What's with you?
You just don't understand. Nobody understands. You're all like my father, the goblin. He's so disappointed in me and doesn't get why I've chosen to be the evil one. It's not a choice. It's a way of life. A way of life, huh? Let's see what will happen to your way of life once your psyche is completely altered. And what was the point of that? Huh? Are my powers not working? You should have gone insane.
Ha 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 ha! You've done a fourth of our jobs for us. Thank you, Emerald Goddess.
Oh, you're welcome. Wait, what? This is what I mean. You people don't deserve your lives in splendor here, waiting in the misery of life. Ha ha ha! Your powers evidently don't work either. What? How dare you say such things about me? You don't even know me. Well, your powers have failed you. What are you going to do now? Attack all of you with my sparkling tail!
No! Not plastic!
What? Your weakness is plastic?
Yes.
Great. I should have known not to trust her. Well, I can still defeat you on my own. You're all weak without your precious technology.
I need knowledge.
You forget what's actually in technology.
What? There are only two types of people in this world. Those who understand binary and those who don't.
No. Metals. Your powers were just no match against the Zippos. Get up, citizen. The day has been saved.
It's back. And I feel like life actually matters again, and no longer have the urge to seek attention. However, did you save us?
We are the Zippos.
IIT has been temporarily saved by the Zippos, but who knows when a bigger threat shall come. But the Zippos remain vigilant, ready to save the day at any time, anywhere.